Abu Bakr says that Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu mentions in his narrations, whosoever awakes in the morning in the sexually defiled state should not observe fast. I mentioned it to my father Abdul Rahman bin Haris. He whereupon rejected it. Then I and Abdul Rahman went to Hazrat Aisha and Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anhuma. Abdul Rahman asked its percept from them. They whereupon said, the Prophet ﷺ would rise in the morning in the state which necessitates bath for a reason other than a nocturnal discharge, and then made an intention for a fast. Abu Bakr says, we then went to Marwan and mentioned it to him. Marwan thereupon said, I adjure you by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to go to Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu and refute his saying. We went to Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu, and Abu Bakr, the reporter, was also present there. Abdul Rahman narrated the complete episode to Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu asked, have both of them said it? Abdul Rahman said, yes. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, they both know it better. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu then said, I heard it from Fazl bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu, not from the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Then Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu forsook this stance. Ibn Jurayj says that he asked from Abdul Malik, did they both narrate this hadith about the fast of Ramadan? They said, he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam would get up in the morning in the state which necessitate bath for the reason other than nocturnal discharge, and then he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam would make intention for a fast. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2584.